You need a little light? Man! YXL Electronics wants to get in on the game. They reached out to me and they said, we do all kinds of lighting stuff. I said, you know my biggest issue? String lights. Check that out. So we're gonna string the all-weather string lights up across here. So we can turn them on at night. Holy cow, I cannot believe how much light how much light there is. Daylight. Wow. So if you're on a job site and you need some light, you need a little light? Man, these are like super bright. It just blows my mind how much light